Hey, let's check if the Realme GT 6 comes with the protective silicone case in the box. So this version comes actually from the European distribution, and yeah, it actually comes. Here we can find some accessories. Okay, so that's how it looks. It's actually the silicone case. It's very flexible. It's actually quite easy to put it on the phone. There we go. And that's how it looks. The case goes a little bit above the screen, right here and right here, so it will protect our smartphone. And the same, smartphone screen, and also it goes a little bit above the camera sensor, so it will also protect this camera from the scratches. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.